Hello, welcome back to the Weebly tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial I'm going to concentrate on page titles, keywords, meta tags. We haven't yet given this website a name, so let's give it a title, and I'm going to do that up here. Because it happens to be a website that has lots of pictures of dogs on it, we'll call it Dogs Galore. There may be a website out there called Dogs Galore, but this is just a demo, so don't worry about that. And this is just purely because I need to give the website a title. Also, when you publish your website, that will be the time when you give it an actual name, and the name will be dogsgalore.weebly.com if you're going for the free version. So we've given it a name, Dogs Galore. Now we go up to pages. And this is where you do the advanced settings. So we're on the home page now. You can see that's highlighted in blue. Click on advanced settings. We need to give the page a title. This title is what will appear on the top bar here, generally up here, or in the tab. So you can see this tab up here says Weebly website creation. That's because we're in the Weebly website. If I was in another website like the BBC, it would say BBC up here, and then there might be a little bit more text that describes what the actual page is. So on the home page, because it's a dog's website, let's give it a bit of a better description. So, dog pictures and stories for all you dog lovers out there. And then page description, so that's the title. That will appear in the tab. As you can see, the tab only shows part of the description, so there's no point writing anything too long. I'm going to copy that and paste it into the page description. I would like to write a little bit more information on the page description. All these things help with the search engines. So if your page description can be no more than a couple of dozen words long and have as many of the keywords in it as possible that people may use to try and find a website like yours. So, you know, I'm not going to do it here, but you'd write a bit more text in there just to give a bit more detail. That page description will appear under the page, the website title, in a Google search. So if you search in Google for a website, you'll notice that a whole list of applicable websites turn up in the left-hand column. You normally get the website title, then beneath that the website address, then beneath that a bit of a description about the website. What you write here will be there. And in the meta keywords, very important to give this a lot of thought. These are the kinds of words and phrases that people would type into Google to find you. So because this is a website that's dedicated to dogs, you know, it'd be good to write dogs, but that's a little bit general. If you type dogs into Google, you'll get thousands, hundreds of thousands, perhaps millions of websites with dogs. Try and make it a bit more specific. Dog photos. Your keywords can have, they can be phrases as well, so two words, 3 words maximum, and no more than about a dozen keywords. So think about these carefully and write your keywords in here, all separated by a comma and a space. And when you've done that, save, and that takes you back to the page you've just been editing. Let's do another page. Click on your Pages tab. Let's do the history page. That's the history of your company. So click on Advanced Settings, again, page title, page description, meta keywords. And they'd be slightly different to the ones you wrote for the home page. The ones for the home page are very general about your whole website. These keywords you can expand a little bit. You know, if you have a particular piece of information about your history that's unique to you, that you can squeeze in 1 or 2 words, might be good to put that in there. You can also put random words in there that actually aren't quite to do with, you know, who you are and what you do or what you sell or what you provide. But are the kind of words that you think will attract customers, because bear in mind these keywords, they're pretty much hidden. The public won't see these, but the search engines will. So that's how to do your page title and metadata.